Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press.
So hey guys, I'm making this video in my OnePlus 6 and you can see the clarity of this phone. Plus I'm going to make some small videos of this with the front camera and the back camera, so you can judge the video camera and how it looks, clarity and wise in the light and in the mid light. So stay tuned for more and see the camera samples in this video. So I'm again starting out this video and it's in the low version of the light. You can see the picture is very clear out there. So if you look at the view, the front view is okay with this camera. Even in this small, the picture quality is very good. So OnePlus 6 has done very amazing from the front camera. Let's go to the back camera. Let's see what this camera has to offer to us. So this is the video from the back camera. You can see the picture quality is very good again. The very clear image. This is in 4K video and you can see the clarity of this phone. The video recording, I'm not using any handstill or any sort of camera, so you can see that while moving up and down from the camera, that how the picture is looking up to me. And the camera quality is very okay, not so shaky images. And from this you can gather out the images that how the camera looks in this phone. Even in the low light without any flash or anything, the picture quality of this camera is pretty much good. You can see even in the light you can see clearly able to see the road and many other points. So this video is in 4K in the night mode and the picture quality looks pretty much good. So I'm making this video in the night and you can see from the front camera the picture quality is pretty good, not so much shaking. So again, I'm not handling any handheld device with the camera, and it's in a hand only, so you can make a pretty much clear at how the video is shaking when I'm even moving. And this is the night mode, and the picture quality is pretty much cool and pretty much on the better side. The picture quality is pretty much smooth, and it is in the 4K seems to be video. So yes. So this is the ending video with the OnePlus 6. You have seen the panorama effect, you have seen the brighter effect of the photos, and you have seen the photo in the dark. So this is the video in the dark again, and not much light is available on right now, and mixture of light is available, but still the video is very clear. So like, I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.